Hey ladies, it's Jen, and today I'm going to be putting the GelMoment gel polish remover called Flake off to the test. I have quite a few layers of polish on, so this is really going to show you how effective it is. It's a thick gel that you paint on. Wait 3 to 5 minutes and then use your cuticle pusher to gently remove the polish. I've sped up the video so that you don't have to watch the whole 5 minutes. I did leave it on for that amount because I have, believe it or not, 4 coats of Evening Storm, 1 coat of a Glitz and Glam top coat called Captivate, and this manicure has been on since January 21st. Today is February 4th. Just yesterday, I did a fill on the bottom portion of my nail and added a fade of the gold color, and then another coat of the Captivate on top. So essentially there is 6.5 coats of polish on my nail at this point. Flake Off is a acetone-free product. It is also gluten-free, latex-free, lead-free, and cruelty-free. When your 3 to 5 minutes is up, you can take your GelMoment cuticle pusher and gently push your polish off. You don't want to be overly aggressive. If you have a stubborn area, you can reapply the gel remover and wait a few more minutes and push it off. I always like to finish up with taking the GelMoment file and buffer and using the gray side, the buffer side, to gently buff off the surface of my nail, and then follow up with a cleansing pad. And that's it. It's as simple as that. Flake Off is an amazing product, and I just wanted to share. Thanks for watching. If you've stayed to the end and need to get your hands on this awesome product, you can go to my website and shop under accessories. Let me know if you have any questions.